Hey, welcome back, friends. This is the React Native newsletter, issue 148. I am your chief editor, Jon Major. Before I get into what I found interesting within this newsletter that I think you will also find interesting too, I just want to pause and take a second and just hone in on. I pray that you, wherever you are receiving your React Native news, that you're safe. I don't know where you are, what you're doing, but with just stuff going on in the world today, I just pray that you're doing okay, that you're safe. So I want to make this video still because I want to be a source of what makes you smile, or at least I like to believe that I can make you smile. And so let's get into the React Native newsletter and talk about the highlights that I think you will also find interesting. And so the first one is React Native plus GitHub Actions. And so I don't know if you know what GitHub Actions are, but I do suggest you, just like give it a YouTube. But a quick little overview is that GitHub Actions are there to help us automate processes like CI/CD. And so we can set up our CI/CD pipeline and much more through GitHub Actions. And so we can take something like our React Native app that works on our machine and use a workflow YAML file to take it from works on my machine to in the store for someone to download. And so GitHub Actions are pretty powerful. I definitely suggest taking a look at this blog post, seeing how you can construct workflow YAML files, and there are two in there. There's an Android and an iOS one. There are also two NPM packages that I've never used, NP and React Native Release. Let me know if you used it and how you like it. There are also some other hidden gems that I'm not going to spoil. I will absolutely won't not spoil. All right, so let's get into the next blog post. So this next one, React Native libraries, the bad, the worst, the ugly. And so this deals with security around React Native, its ecosystem with NPM packages that potentially have vulnerabilities. But I will say this, the grass is not always greener on the other side. There's vulnerabilities everywhere, on every platform. That's just what it is. Given the nature of us creatures being imperfect, we accidentally and on purpose create bugs because there are bad actors out there in the world. But that is it, and I appreciate you watching the React Native newsletter videos. Your support means a whole lot to me. I hope you find these two items useful, intriguing, if you will. I will see you in the next video. I look forward to it. Major out. Peace.